I'm going to take a look at Almanack, an AI tool to use for teachers. So I'm just going to show you how you could use this to create, for instance, a slideshow. So you can give it a course, you could give it a lesson topic. I'm choosing to use the source of this information from a website, and I can certainly give it some additional instructions. And if I give all this information, I'm talking about es gibt in German. So that is, there are. If I click on next, we will see what happens as we generate. What happens is it generated a slide deck outline based off the information given. And then I get to go ahead and choose a theme. So I'm going to go ahead and select retro and see what happens. And it's generating. It has done. You'll see magically it just went ahead and popped up with some slides. It's going to kind of show you some information about the slides. It's going to give some interactions and questions as well. So that's a lot of information. If it looks kind of good as you glance at it, you can go ahead and open it in the editor. The editor is going to allow you to change the text. You can play around with some of the features up above, switch out photos. It sort of, allows for you to do so. Like this is a watermarked photo, so I'd want to change that. And of course, you always want to check because this is interesting. The types of images that you can change. Like, does it make any sense? And of course, the examples. So I'm just kind of showing you some things that it just auto-generated. So I would spend time with this, making all the corrections, fixing any grammar. But it gives a basic layout. In a pinch, it's going to take me a little less time to fix a few errors than necessarily starting from scratch. It allows for an embedded video, so it pops one in that it found on YouTube, not one that I've watched or seen, so I'd want to preview that. This is a little off in terms of its formatting, but kind of gives some information about a quote. Then it allows some conversation and questions for your students, a little practice quiz for them to take, true, false, multiple choice, discussion topic, and a did you know. So overall, for just a few minutes of time, this was very helpful. This is just one of the tools. You could go ahead and present it right in here, or of course you can export it as the ever popular Google Slides, PowerPoint, or as a PDF. I'm not going to do that right now. I'll just leave it there because I would want to edit it, but you'll see that you're able to use a whole bunch of different tools with certain versions. So Almanack is an AI tool for teachers to use. It is, however, a freemium tool, meaning what happens is there's the free version, which you can have forever, and then there is the paid version. So I'm going to switch over to pricing to let you know this is the free version. So that's basically free. It includes all the basic features, but not all the nice bells and whistles. And you can check that out on their website. If you want to go ahead and sign up and try it with a 2-week pro account for free. You want to try the pro account, which is the one I'm trying for free right now. Go ahead and check below, and I think I'll have a link for you. That's totally optional if you want to check it out. But just another tech tool to help you, not just for German class, but for any classes that you may have.